What's up, y'all? It's your girl everlenia.chenelle here, and of course I am back with another video showing y'all how to complete this beautiful look here, which y'all already know I adore so much. But of course, before we get into the video, y'all already know what the deal is. Like, if you ain't subscribed to your girl, like, I don't know what you waiting on, because clearly I'm waiting on you. So subscribe, turn your notifications on. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment, you know, all that cute stuff. But yeah, that's that for the intro. Let's get into the video. So, per usual, the eyebrows are done and complete. But for primer today, I'm gonna be using the P. Louise in the shade Rumor 4. And of course, I'm just gonna put that on my eye to prime it for the eyeshadow. Alright, so now that we got the eye primed, I'm gonna be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is the volume 1. And if I can get it open. I don't know why I have such a hard time getting this open, but they don't have, like, you know how normally they be having like the little dip? They don't have that. Or maybe it's just me. But so I'm gonna be starting with B1, and I'm gonna use that as like my, I guess, transition shade. And yeah. Alright, going back into the Norvina palette, I am going to be taking the shades A2 and A3, and I'm gonna be mixing them together to create like the I'm gonna be mixing them together to create the shade that I want on the outer corner of my eye. But it's gonna be like, it's to deepen and darken up the outer corner of my eye. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is take my I'm gonna take some Clinique makeup remover, and I'm just gonna clean up my crease parts, and then I'm gonna cut my crease with some more of that P. Louise base. Alright, so now it's time for the glitters. So I'm gonna be using some NYX glitter glue. I'm gonna be using this white NYX glitter. I'm gonna be using this pearl pigment from NYX. And I'm gonna be using this gold glitter that I got from the Beauty Supply. So the gold glitter came from Beauty Supply. The name of it is J-Cat. But yeah, those are all the 3. And the pearl isn't really a glitter, but I needed it for the like white. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by applying the gold, and then I'm gonna work my way into the white, if that makes sense. Alright, so next things next, I'm gonna be adding the I'm gonna be doing a winged liner using the NYX Epic Wear in the shade Black. And yeah, I'm just gonna create a winged liner. So now that the eyes are done for now, because you know we still gotta do lashes, but I'm just doing those last. I'm gonna go in with the Juno & Co. Juno & Co primer, and I'm just gonna prime my face. Moving on to the color correcting, I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion HD corrector. This is what it looks like. Of course, it's the shade orange. It's the shade that I use to color correct. And I'm just gonna use that on all my dark spots. Now for the foundation. I'm gonna be using my, and I'm sorry, I'm just shaking it. But now for the foundation, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade MC50, which of course is my shade. But I am going to, of course, put that all over my face. And yeah. Now on to the highlighting and contouring, which y'all know that's my favorite part. So I'm going in today with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. And of course, y'all already know I'm gonna do some contouring under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead a little bit. Alright, so now for the contour, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade medium to dark. And of course, I'm going to contour my nose, my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. Well, jawline. So now to set it, and I think today I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my highlights, and then of course I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade Dark to Deep to set my contour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in using my Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe adaptogens. I think I said it right that time. And coconut water. And of course my flat top brush. And today, y'all, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer to add a little bit more warmth to the cheeks. And this has become my favorite bronzer. I'm not even gonna lie. But honestly, well, no, I have tried. I was about to say, honestly, this is the only one that I've tried, but that's a lie because I've tried others. I tried the Wet n Wild one, but this, I like this one. It's the Morphe Glam Bronzer, Glam Bronze in the shade Trailblazer, because I'm a Trailblazer, period. Okay. Okay, and now it's time for a little bit of highlighter. Y'all cannot wait to add the lashes to this because I feel like the lashes just gonna set the whole look off. You feel me? I feel like it's gonna set the whole look off. But okay, moving on to the highlight, and I want to show y'all what it looks like on the inside, but one of them is broken in here. So this is the BH Cosmetics Duo Highlight Non-Color Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Double Date. I couldn't decide, but I'm gonna be using Double Date out of here just to add a little bit of highlighter. And honestly, I was thinking about doing a little bit of blush, but nah. I think I'm gonna keep it simple, y'all, because when I'm doing, like, when I feel like I'm doing a lot with the eyes, I don't want to do too much with the face, okay? So, no blush. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Crayon in the shade Milk, and I'm gonna just open up my eye just a little bit. So I'm gonna take some more of that A2 and that A3, and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line with that. Moving on to lashes. First, I'm gonna start with putting on a little bit of a mascara, and I'm gonna use my Buxom mascara. Then I'm gonna go in with my Merit Beauty mascara, which I really love this mascara. Y'all gotta get y'all some of this. I love both of these, and my favorite of all time, y'all know the GOAT is Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't care what nobody says, but today, this is what I'm using. Today for the lashes, I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using the Cavalli lashes, and this is in the shade Milan. Y'all, so my last video was an unboxing video because they had sent me these lashes, right? So that was my last video, but let me tell y'all how, well, I don't know. They have their own lash glue, right? This is it. The Cavalli eyelash adhesive, right? I didn't like it. It dries clear and everything, which is good, but I didn't like it. It was like too thick. So I'm gonna stick to what I know, which is my Duo lash glue. And of course, I'm gonna use that to apply my lashes today. These are what the lashes look like. Y'all, they so fire. Oof, I can't wait to put these on because I feel like once I put these on and once I put my wig on, it's over, period. Alright, y'all, so that is that for the video. I hope y'all liked it. Of course, y'all know I feel like this look is so bomb, so cute. And honestly, I don't think I ever like tried a look like this before, but I'm here for it. Okay, y'all, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you know, drop a comment or two if you enjoyed this look. Also, turn your notifications on so you know when I'm dropping a new video. And what else? Follow me on social media. And what else? That's pretty much it. I love y'all, and as always, y'all know, y'all stay safe, okay? And I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.